Mae Morgan a fi wedi dod uwch ben y Rhosgadfan yma, yn uchel, efo'r CB. Dyma genna fi list yma o wledydd gwahanol fedra ni glwad gobeithio. Dyma Morgan yn chwarae Sonic the Hedgehog. Dweud, a ti'n helpu fi ar hon?
Do.
Dweud?
Byddai'n dweud Cysylltiad.
Ie, mae Morgan yn dweud Cysylltiad, dyna dyn ni'n gwneud dweud. So dyma'r calling station, mae pawb sy'n trio wneud cyswllt yn mynd ar y calling station a wedyn maen nhw'n symud i frequency gwahanol, wedyn maen nhw gyd a drost i gilydd yma. Wedyn os ti'n clywed signal cry, ar ei hola nhw a trio mynd yn ôl at nhw. Cysylltiad, this is 163 Division, Kilo Bravo 702, Wales, UK, calling DX and standing by.
Big night at Talbot, thank you, good weekend.
Hello, 3 and 5, thank you, down back there, hello, thank you, 3 and 5, this is Combination 20 on the region.
Same for you, bye-bye.
Radio Charlie India, 1-3, Radio Charlie India, 001 from Germany, call. 590, 590, thank you.
CQ13 Radio Charlie India, CQ13 Radio Charlie India, this is 163 Division, Wales, United Kingdom, calling DX and standing by. Germany.
Radio Charlie India, 1-3, Radio Charlie India, from Germany, call.
CQ13 Radio Charlie India 13, CQ13 Radio Charlie India 13, the station in Germany. This is 163 Division, Kilo Bravo 702, Wales, UK, calling DX and standing by.
From Kilo Bravo Station, the Kilo Bravo Station, please can you call us Y27 580 Kilo Bravo Station, please, for 1-3 Radio Charlie India 580.
Reit, mae o di newid i'r station yma wan, eitha alw fi fan gobeithio. So mae hwn yn Germany wan. CQ13 Radio Charlie India 13, the station in Germany. This is 163 Kilo Bravo 702, calling DX and standing by.
Kilo Bravo Station, this is 1-3 Radio Charlie India 001. Please can you repeat your course? And again, this is 1-3 Radio Charlie India 001.
Yeah, 1-3 Radio Charlie India 001. This is 163 Kilo Bravo 702, Wales, UK.
Kilo Bravo Station, negative. I think at 20 stations with the frequency at the moment. Very problem to copy your course line. Sorry, can you give me your country? What is your country, please, Roger?
Yeah, my country is 163 Division, 163 Division, Wales, UK, 163 Division. What is your location in Germany?
I think you are in the Wales. You are in the Wales. I hope correct. Yes, I'm located near the Netherlands border, 20 kilometers from the Netherlands border, in the northwest part of Germany, and the city is Lima Echo Radio, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, your location is Lima Echo Romeo. Is that Roger?
That's correct. This is my city. It's my city, 20 kilometers from the Netherlands border, Roger.
Yeah, Roger. My location is Caernarfon in Wales. Charlie Alpha Echo Romeo November Alpha Romeo Fox Oscar November. I repeat, Charlie Alpha Echo Romeo November Alpha Romeo Fox Oscar November.
Sorry, negative to copy your city. It's too much station, the frequency, the problem to copy you too much station, the frequency all the time in the middle of a job. Very problem, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, thank you very much for your contact. So from 163 Kilo Bravo 702 in Wales, hope you have a good day and good DX.